Lock the chain by pushing the handguard forward. Always engage the chain brake before starting the chainsaw. Turn on the ignition switch. Push the primer pump until fuel enters into the primer pump. Pull the choke knob to the extended position. Hold the front handle firmly with your left hand. Kneel with your right knee on the frame and pull the starter grip with your right hand. If the engine stalls after the first firing, push the choke knob back in and pull the starter grip again. After the engine is started, immediately squeeze and release the throttle trigger. Pull the handguard toward the handle to disengage the chain brake.